Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ogamichi Wireless Carplay Adapter, Bluetooth CarPlay Adapter Dongle. Factory wired to wireless CarPlay adapter for car from 2015 and Apple/iPhone 6s/iOS 12.1 and above. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: CarPlay Wireless Adapter. Wireless CarPlay Adapter is designed for hassle-free wired CarPlay use. Simply plug the device into your car's USB port to establish a wireless connection with your smartphone without complicated setup or additional wiring. Smart wireless features. With the CarPlay Wireless Adapter, driving becomes more fun by connecting Bluetooth, facilitating hands-free calls, sending and receiving messages, GPS navigation, and enjoying music seamlessly. Experience a new level of convenience and entertainment during your daily commutes or road trips. Universal compatibility. The Bluetooth Wireless CarPlay Adapter Dongle suits for Apple/iPhone 6s/iOS 12.1 and above. Fits 98% of cars from 2015 with wired CarPlay. Recommend touchscreen CarPlay. If your phone is up to iPhone 14/iOS 15 and above, please update the CarPlay by Wi-Fi. Wired to wireless. 2023 wired to wireless CarPlay adapter includes a USB and a USB-C connect cable, so it can support both USB and USB-C carport access, perfect suit for your carport. Meet your different connectivity needs. The revolutionary wireless CarPlay adapter, the ultimate solution for transforming your driving experience into a seamless journey of connectivity and entertainment. Elevate your daily commute or road trips to a whole new level with this cutting-edge device, thoughtfully designed to enhance every aspect of your time on the road. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.